Yo, people. I had a customer call me asking me why is my ceiling leaking water, and I said, boy, I don't know, you know. I said maybe you have a homeless man living up there and he start piss up himself and he can't find the toilet. Obviously, since I didn't find anybody up there, the next logical reason would be the venting. Either the venting wasn't glued enough, or when they glued it, they didn't push it in enough. Either way, it's still leaking, so now I'm here to fix it. I wasn't too far off of my hypothesis, but when I cut the venting to make my adjustments, the water piss out like a racehorse who never given a bathroom break in a couple hours. It said, freedom! I maintained the slope, stopped the leak, and no homeless men were evicted today.